2 guys, ready? Quando eu depois vou ver unique, yeah, to unique that. That's a good idea. I should get that. You just already sent off, keep it. I don't know about that one. What's going on, guys? What's going on? What are you trading today? Probably SPX. That's about it. I'll be trading, honestly. Probably just SPX. Everything else looks pretty choppy. Like, alright, so 9:30 open coming soon. Let's start off by marking off our midnight open, which is over here. Looks like we barely created that Judas swing. Fairly high up there now. Where's that 8:30 open? So, like right here, we can mark off that as the 8:30 opening price. And then you can see here, that's H1, right? So market just looks like it's still trending, not respecting none of these demand zones. If we actually look at it, we have this H1 respected, and we have this H1 respected, and then we still have this one that could still try to get mitigated, right? That H1 level. Price declined. Looks like we just tapped into this. So this could be considered, you know, this entire down close level. This could be a breaker here. I feel like because we also grabbed some liquidity here, right? Looking at this from F&T scope, looks like from here, right, we had that first POS. So we dropped down, obviously a lot of liquidity being pending right here at these highs for EU. Where's the liquidity? I can't even see the liquidity. There. Here you have that OB. It could be used as a mitigation block as well. So keep your eyes on this. Obviously be more used as a POI rather than anything. Looking at M5 here. Interesting how we still have an empty space here that could try to get filled. It's not longer FEG, but just a POI that'll be more kind of prone to focus on if price does want to decline to that, right? Then on top of that, we have the liquidity above. Just a little bit stuck, honestly, for EU. Wouldn't really want to trade this until we get more of a clear context here. Let's start with some equal levels. US 30. Not US 30 for sure, no. Gold as well, choppy, very choppy. Let's take a look at S&P though. Let's take a look at S&P with the other index pairs and see what we can arrive to. So, looking at this from an H4 scope first of all, right? From SPX, still looks fairly bullish. You know, we still haven't broken out of this entire level of structure. Price can still try to drop down. It can. H1, What do we have in H1? We definitely have all those equal lows, so that becomes a little bit now less prone to happen when you have all these equal lows here just pending. But I want to take a look at what is going on with US 500. So US 500, we did grab all the equal lows. That's also interesting, right? Because we grabbed the lows here. So that's already going to be a little bit of SMT happening with index pairs. So we grabbed the lows here for US 500. There's no lows to grab in US 500, right? And there is no, for US 500, no lows to grab. For Nasdaq, there's lows we could still grab, and for US 30, there's still a little bit of equal lows, but not entirely. US 400 looks like we kind of sweep that a little bit more. Honestly, we could keep our eyes here a little bit prone to see what price wants to do. US 400 just looks like price is still respecting out of this lower time frame scope here. We have this H1 supply that we haven't broken, so we might just have a little bit of a sweep here, and then from there maybe we could drop down to go higher. Let's look at liquidity sessions. So we grabbed out of Asian lows, and we grabbed out of London lows, and we haven't grabbed out of Asian lows. So I feel like we are gonna kind of go for this liquidity above for SPX. That's kind of what makes the most sense to me. We're in that box. Price might just want to continue grabbing that liquidity session lows. We have S&P there too, SMT all around, man. So I do expect us to go higher here. Let's just wait and see what we can get for session. Obviously still very choppy, and we don't want to trade that when it's choppy in those ranges like that. We want to wait for more context here. So H1 looks interesting. Looks like we just dropped down here, rebalanced out of an FEG here. Rebalanced, right? Our first rebalance of an FEG there. And then we had a small sweep of liquidity on SPX here, right? And it's looking like that's what's happening for SPX here. We might have a little bit of an upside potential. Still just no clear displacement for us to guide ourselves from. A very choppy PA here to try to trade this, right? It's just still very choppy. Not ideal what you want to see when you're trading index pairs, especially SPX and all of them. You know what I mean? Clearly bullish here for gold. Does not tend, or it's not really trying to decline here. As much as I wanted to drop, give us some sells here. Just looking like not the case now. So even the smallest sell time frames are being respected here. So when that does happen, honestly, just stay away. I mean, you could obviously continue trying to long this, and you can make sense of some longs here with this OB, and then obviously having a FG there. But just not ideal trades when you're so far up there with we're up there with gold. I'm much rather see price give me a displacement here, start breaking some levels of structure here, and then from there try to fill this kind of void that we have happening for gold, right? Obviously we also do have equal lows here that could get prone to getting grabbed if price gives us some type of liquidity or inducement. Displacement. But just still overall very, very overbought. You don't want to touch it right now. I wouldn't touch gold. EU looks like it continued, just very choppy. Not gonna touch this either, to be honest. I'm much rather see EU drop down a little bit more, giving some type of displacement here, at least break some types of liquidity. The way that we kind of went up here is too corrective, right? So it's gonna be a lot of liquidity placed in all these angles here. Right, this is already liquidity as we call it. Price most likely want to grab this, and then from there we'll see if we want to actually grab it or anything else up higher, which would be like the target up there, right? Shit, man. Chop a PA right here. So SPX declined back down to this level. Interesting as well. Equal lows now prone on SPX. Equal lows for sure here. Equal lows on NASDAQ as well. Much rather see this guy grab first to try to then go for some longs. A little bit SMT happening here with US 30, right? Equal lows are kind of going higher, respecting that of demand in these levels for US 30 at least. Respecting that, respecting this, and then respecting this. Now, do you want to try to long US 30? I don't. I'd rather wait for price to sweep this if it can, and then give me more context. Check EU. What do you want to check on EU? You just, sorry guys, you just up there stuck. Not much to look for. Not much right now. I think we just gotta wait for session. Honestly, we gotta wait for 9:30 to open, and then from there we can try to trade. Dumb. We gotta wait for session, guys. Just be patient here. Alright, guys, we're gonna stay live on YouTube. If you guys wanna hop in, just follow the YouTube, alright? Peace out, guys. Alright, guys, we're gonna stay live here on the YouTube for a little bit, see if we can get anything. Let's make sense of this, PA. Shit's just slow right now, bro. We just gotta be patient. We just gotta be patient, guys. You guys think EU is gonna drop here? You guys think we're gonna have a decline on EU? Or we're gonna go higher? What do you guys think? It's a funny name, bro. Go with the absolute pop, man. That's just up there. Gold is just up there, bro. I don't want to touch this shit. You shouldn't even want to touch that either. Very choppy PA, bro. So choppy. I think we might have a possible MMS market structure shift to rebalance the imbalance. Not yet. It just hasn't moved, you know? When we move, then maybe, but we just literally have not moved at all. Like, at all. So once we get that rebalance to make sense, then maybe. But there's still nothing. I said we just vibe it out right now, listen to some music, you know? Be patient, have some vibes. I'm listening to, you know who's like trading thing is good? Sean Lee's, bro. If you guys haven't listened to it, it's called Cosmic 2020 on Spotify. It's pretty good. Just like a vibey trading. It's gonna be like in the zone type shit. Check it now. This hasn't moved, brother. Even that, this doesn't make much sense. If anything, I might try to long this shit right here, bro. Look at those equal highs up there. That looks like fucking La La Land. I just feel like a lot of people are gonna be looking at the same shit here, which sucks. But this is a definite model here, if it made sense. If this made sense, this could be a model. Obviously, if it was at a discount, we're kind of up there, so most likely it won't hold. shit. Alright, so we're dropping down to the M15 breaker that we had here. Let's see, that might be something. Or M15 FEG there, right? I really don't think we're going to be going up higher for EU today. So this might be like the opportunity that we want to see for us to try to take these longs here. Too much liquidity here for us, US 500 now. I definitely want to see this guy grabbed more than anything now before I try to long this. We just broke out of this FEG. This might be used as a bearish pool now for price to drop down here. Might have a nice decline for gold happening now. I want to long US 500 and I want to long EU or USD. For sure. For sure I want to try to short this today. And we got 8 minutes for session, guys. 8 minutes for the real liquidity to come in. It's kind of cold here, bro. Fuck. We might just... well, we're definitely gonna wait for the session to happen, and then we'll try to trade that long if we can get that happening, obviously. If EU gives us a break out of this level here, like out of this M15 area, and maybe from there we can try to short it, right, back down to this void, because this is a void, right? This is not an FEG. When you have a nice sweep like that, that does not become an FEG. It's just literally a void here where price could try to rebalance these levels, and we have context for price to rebalance the levels, which is this H1 OB that we have down here, right? We have H1 OBs here. We have this demand, respected demand, demand, and demand here. So this could still be a void that price might want to rebalance here. Nice decline again still happening for EU, but this could all get turned around as soon as the market opens. You know, we know how market is. Lower high point, lower low. So just continue monitoring price here and see what price wants to do for us on a smaller time frame, right? The M5 we're still bullish, right? Looking at M5, we still have this low point that led to high points. We can erase out this FEG now because we just hit an interesting point here for EURUSD, which is this OB. So we can mark that off now. And that could be kind of our focus now, or a POI. Just maybe from there we can get a M1, MMS. And then from there try to continue long in this price, right? Nice decline for gold here. This wasn't this equals run up here. This could be a model here. Unfortunately, there's equals up there, so that just kind of kills it. Oh, look at that melt. It's still no clean melt for almost. Oh, you have a shift here. You have a melt for Nasdaq. You still haven't broken anything for yesterday, which is interesting to me. You still haven't broken squat there. Nasdaq completely dropping here, grabbing all the liquidity there is to grab. $500. Oh, we're very oversold. I like this. So we're gonna have a very nice opportunity to try along this because we're below both our 12 opening price and below our 8:30 opening price. So there's gonna be a nice opportunity here to try to long this SPX. For sure, when we have this bullish momentum, we're gonna have a nice opportunity to long this pair right here. The question is when, right? That's the question. But we're gonna have a nice opportunity to try to long this bad boy right here. Discount for gold? What do you mean? What's going on, Felipe Doyen? Damn, look at that gold melt. Complete sweep of liquidity for Nasdaq here. Interesting. Well, not complete because we have those equal lows on there, but nice enough. Interesting how US 30 is just going here, right? Definitely not trying to sweep anything right now. Do we have any news, guys? We have iService PMI. 2 minutes to go for open. Holy fucking hell, guys. There's your gold, brother. Market open as we speak. Are you gonna tell me to put the order? Of course. Yeah. when we got an opportunity to trade something. So gold is back down at an interesting point. We had a decline all the way down to this area here. I don't think we're gonna want to go up hard. Just the way we kind of went up was very correctively. So it's obviously gonna be a trend line liquidity here. We might just have a decline for gold today. You can see how clearly we already grabbed the liquidity above. So this already got grabbed. We might just have a nice drop now for gold, to be honest. Damn, what a pop. Check your RSD. Still no clean break here. This might be the setup that you guys want to trade right here. Actually, I might want to trade that right here. Let's see. Market open 930. Stops above that. Take away the lows. Boom. Guessing that'll hit. Keep it a buck right there with that FVG. Actually makes no sense. I'm just kidding, guys. So why are we trying to long gold? Why are we trying to long gold when we're trying to long SPX? You know? It could just be a sweep of liquidity. Don't take that gold long, guys. Run away. I might hit, but just run away from that. Let's try to focus more on some EURUSD longs now. I like the FEG they're happening. And SPX as well makes sense. Oh, look at that SPX pop. Jesus, bro. I told you guys we're going to get a nice opportunity. Fuck me. That's that 8:30 opening. Nasdaq still melting. Oh my god. S&P about to take the highs above. What type of weird ass SMT that we're getting here? Complete break of structure there for gold now. Alright, let's see if we can make our first confirmed higher low point once we rebalance that, and then from there we can take some longs up there if we can confirm this is a first higher low point here. And then SPX looks good. Nice interesting levels that we're making here. M2, I like how that looks. We could definitely try to take that advantage of this if we drop down to this. For sure, for sure. M3, M4, M5, M3, we have an M3 FVG there. M2. Fuck me, bro. Market looks good for that pop right now. Just about to fucking hit the moon, I'm not gonna lie, bro. Look at that, nice and easy 2-to-1. That's gonna get smacked if you guys know it. That's a setup right there, guys. We're literally below 12 opening price. We're below. We had a sweep of liquidity right there, and we have the FEG. Hopefully that gets hit. I don't know if it will, but if it does, that's literally the setup. It doesn't get easier than that. Ooh. sure I might just hit that. Triggered in that, guys. Triggered in that SPX. Let's see. Oh, trouble in paradise. Looks like I might not want to hold. Oh. Just kidding. Still respecting. Do we have more to rebalance down here? That's the question. Don't really have much more to rebalance there. We definitely want to see that hold there. Gold. Damn. Gold did turn out nice. Back. No hard open confirmed. SPX is being a little bit mean to us. SPX wants to be a little mean right now, you know? Doesn't want to do what I want it to do. But I still trust it will go up hard to take those equal highs above. Yeah, the difference between live accounts and demo accounts are so big. Like the spreads, dude. It's so annoying whenever you trade live accounts. Like you got fucking drilled with spreads, especially with index pairs. Like, oh my god, it's annoying to deal with. But whatever. It is what it is, bro. How choppy this fucking PA, dude. Oh shit, guys, my Starbucks is outside. Way back. 1 second. Put on a shirt real quick, man. Alright, boys, we got the Starbies. We got the Starbies for the soul, baby. You guys might want to go lower, brother, and go back up. Yeah, I might. I might, to be honest. You might be right. Looks like you're right, boss. Let's see. That's the name of the game, right? Sometimes you're gonna be right. Sometimes you're gonna be wrong. You gotta keep it going, man. It's the way trading is. You know what I mean? Gold's such a weirdo. What a weird fucking pretty trade. Gold? What are you talking about? What pair? Oh, this is new. That's some new shit right here. That's what the OB just hit. Yo, what is this slow ass shit, bro? How slow? Move, man. God damn. Shit. This house should paid out nice, bro. Look at that M3. It rebalance this right here. Drop down. Actually, it must go above opening price. Oh, it must do that. You guys are funny, bro. M2. I could do something as well. I'm not trying to see it. Once this breaks, then this could be used as a buying pool. So rather see this break and then from here try to capitalize on some longs. These equal lows are not very sus. You still choppy lop me. We weren't even able to make that first higher high point, so we still gotta have context here for price to give us a break out of these levels. And then once we break these levels, maybe try to go for some longs, but still respecting supply. SPX is moving like fucking dog water right now. Bye bye. Honestly. Like so bad. I honestly think everybody's waiting for that 10 a.m. news to hit. That's why it's so choppy. Alright. How gross, bro. Ooh. Look at this. Look at gold. What is happening here? Yes. We're finally moving. Come on, baby. Go. Fuck, why did I talk? We're moving. We're zooming. God, I'm about to be stuck. Bruh. Oh my god. Look at that effigy right there. Fuck. I feel like I'm sleeping on this gold, man. That's pretty easy to spot, right? We have this breaker. We have this supply. Clearly got respected, right? We went up higher, dropped lower, and then we have these equal lows on here that we're clearly trying to get grabbed. That was pretty easy to see, man. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just too focused on fucking trash ass S&P moving 2 pips per minute. And that would have been a nice and easy little 4 to 1. And you know we take 2 to 1s though, so we could have had stops all the way up here, bro. Just card a fucking trade. Oh my god, how draining, literally. That's what it is called, draining. You're sleeping on gold? I am sleeping on gold, bro. I am sleeping on gold. I'm looking at the wrong things for gold. I'm trying to long this one. It should continue dropping right now with this big ass void that we have, right? But whatever. Let's hope that my girlfriend here can come through. There you go, baby. Come on. Oh my god, bro. What are these wigs? I don't understand. Fucking ass. How choppy is this? Wow, bro. Why did I talk? Should them not want to move. Why did I talk? Oh shit, I fucked up bad. I put the Starbucks stickers on my desk, bro, by accident. There you go. I got it up. Bro, how about GP and ZD? Come on, guys. Don't tell me to trade those trash ass pairs. Honestly, anything has to be better than looking at this right now, so let's see this. I mean, that's horrendous, bro. What the hell is this? Jesus Christ. How do you guys do it? Where's the... To begin with, where the hell's the structure with this, you know? Like, I don't know, we're bullish or bearish here. We had the sweep of liquidity. This can be also considered a lower high point. I mean, a lower low point, you know? So then it gets tricky. You know what I mean? Yeah, I'm out of there. I'm out of there prompt. Ooh, look at gold, man. Jesus Christ. So we had one, two, wait, one, not one, two. We have one more leg. We have one more leg here that could happen until probably price starts going higher. So, what you guys want to look at is how majority of the time, you know, you got 3 legs of liquidity before we can actually start shifting to the other end. So here's our first leg, and here is our second leg right here, right? And then now from this high point to this low point, what do we have here? No, let's look at M2, M3, M4. M4 we have something. M4 we have nice FEG being kind of formed there. So this could be something that you keep your eyes on for price to then continue dropping. Right here, right? That'll be our 4th leg. Price most likely want to rebalance out of all these lows on here, I'm guessing. Right, this makes the most sense for me. So M4. Don't stop now. Don't you dare stop now. Oh, hell nah, bro. Why is it doing this, dude? Let's go. Who's in that with me, boys? Let's get it. Let's get it. Yes, sir. TP hit. After an hour of waiting, TP fucking smacked. Let's get it. Can't forget the Starbucks. Alright, guys, you guys can close out of that shit. There's no way how I'm waiting for this to hit that high. You can honestly close that. Count that as a TP. Right there. Fuck that. I'm out of there. And yeah, let's lock that shit in, baby. Let's go. Let me go to my Discord real quick. Very good trade. Very good trade. Ooh, look at EU. We're finally getting a break out of our supply zones. No clean displacement just yet. I don't like gold center here. You know why? Because this is the complete MMXM here, right? This is the original consolidation. Here we had the sweep, and here we have the so many reversals. So I'm gonna discount this sell here, guys. It might hit, it might literally hit, and I'm sorry that I closed gold twice, but bro, I don't like it. I don't like it. I'm sorry, I just don't like it. I would much rather see price grab a bigger sweep. I would rather see us try to sell that and then take the lows here, you know. But it might hit. You know, this trade might just be one of those trades that I just pussy out in, which I am pussying out in. So I will not be taking this, but you know what, guys, you guys are gonna have to understand, man. I speak from experience, you know. Sure, sometimes it doesn't pan out. Yeah, MMSM. Oh, we kind of already grabbed that. Like that. This is what I see. And then we would have gotten triggered in there. But you know, it can definitely drop lower because all the liquidity here. I don't know. I don't like it. I'm good, bruh. Ooh, look at that mouth for EU, dude. Alright, so we got news in 4 minutes. I feel like gold's gonna take a shit, bro. Fuck me. Bruh, how annoying this shit. Damn. Damn, gold. Don't do me like that. Gold's gonna take a shit, bro. I know it. I sense it, but I just don't like the sweep, bro. I don't like. I wish we wouldn't have grabbed this even with this wick. That would have been better for me. Shit. You see people going in again? Fuck off, bro. Leave me alone. Gold scares me, dude. I'm not gonna lie to you guys. Gold's scary, bro. Gold's a scary part to trade, bro. It scares me. It gives me the shivers, you know? Because a woman that can all be going good, and then it just fucking drills you. It gives me. Oh my god! You see what I mean? You see what I was talking about? You see what I mean by the shivers? This is literally the shivers. Holy shit, dude. Oh my god. Holy fuck. What the hell is that? Jesus Christ. Oh, hell no. That's what I'm talking about, you see? Gold is a scary pair to trade. I don't know like this. Especially with news time? Fuck no. Fucking hell, dude. Oh my god, look at EU, bro. Damn. What the fuck just happened? What the fuck was that? Jesus Christ. Well, there goes your MMXM. You up there. I think we're like pretty much fucked for the day now with this move, bro. Like this is too much of a move. You know, we had a complete shift down and then a complete shift up. We're pretty much like done so for the day. That sucks. Now look at that wick right there for the US 100. Wicked everybody out and then went back up to hit that highs. Sweeped everything for NASDAQ. That's clean. You know, we had a clean sweep here out of all the equal lows there. And US 500 is still completely flying off. It's just off something, US 500 here. Doesn't want to stop going higher. But I mean, honestly, I'm pretty much done. I'm done for the day, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Nice little trade that we took for S&P. Those longs were solid, clean. That smacked. That gold short here would have smacked right here. This one would have smacked too. This one, thank God we didn't take it. You know, that 10 a.m. news. You guys see all of that shit being choppy, bro. That was crazy. It's funny how it's you guys, how we're like talking about how gold scares you and this just has that complete fucking pop. But alright, so we'll be back again tomorrow at 8:55 a.m. I am gonna erase all of this now. Actually, I'm gonna go over some of this stuff. I'm gonna forward test when session ends, so let me not erase that. So I'll forward test when session ends, by myself obviously. But tomorrow we'll be live again at 8:55 a.m. EST training live. Hopefully we catch another banger like we did today. See you guys in the next one. You guys know how it goes. Don't over trade, don't over leverage. Safe trading. Love you guys, man. Appreciate all the support and peace.